I already had about 2,000 students learning music every week. The problem was all of them wrote a song. About 65 songs were written in all these classrooms with 2,000 children. But none of them could be recorded. Taking 2,000 children to a studio and getting back safe at home was a big risk. A mentor asked us this question out of curiosity: if the children cannot do a studio, can a studio come to their school? And implicitly we said that it is impossible because cost of building one studio in one school is about 10 lakh. Because we were not funded, we're still not funded completely. But then we started looking for, can it be built in a bus, in a mobile? Then we realized that no one in India actually have built something like that. And I wonder why. If a John Lennon's bus is been running in the US, recording independent artists, why it can be run and built in India? So I gave it a shot, and we actually built India's first mobile music classroom and recording studio.